Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel once again. So friends, I hope you have watched my previous vlog. So where I have shown you one institute from the hilltop, that is Sanjay Ghuravat International School. So friends, today I'm inside the campus and I'm gonna take a tour of the school and I'm going to show you the inside of the campus, which you have seen right from the hilltop in the last video. Alright, so before I start my video, I would like to tell you one thing, like do not skip any of the part in this video so that you will not miss any of the beautiful view inside the campus. Alright, so without delaying anymore, let's get it started. After entering from the gate here, you'll get to see these buildings. So let me start from this building. This is the B5 building named as, and this is the building for the secondary grades. So this is the old admin building, and right after this, the next building which we'll get to see, that is the primary section. Okay, and right after this you'll get to see another building right there. So that is the B6 building. So this building is particularly for the boarding students, and once you cross this building, then you will get to see one more building at the end, and that is the kindergarten section. So now let me take you inside of each building.
All the wrongs and every reason why we've changed, and there's a storm inside my head.
So this is inside the kindergarten building.
It's getting me in trouble, baby. And
Okay, so now let's move to the next building. That is the B6, which is for the boarding students.
take it easy, take it slow,
So here it is.
just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. That I could keep it low, take it easy.
So now we'll move towards the next building, which is for the primary students. See, as I have told you always that it is very much windy here, so looking at this you will come to know. So that's why this place is always cool. You'll never feel that hot. Even if it is hot, because of the wind you'll always feel comfortable and you'll feel cool. So now here we enter the primary section. About to enter the ground, and one special thing about this, like wherever you go is very beautiful. Like कहीं भी जाओ आपको मज़ा आएगा देख के, and you'll enjoy. Okay friends, so अभी मैं हूँ फिलहाल SGS का ग्राउंड में. So now let me tell you about the sports facilities which are provided here. Cricket, then football, then hockey, and after that basketball, then volleyball is also there on my right hand side. उसके बाद आपका ऊपर है tennis, then again on my left hand side you will find swimming, then also there is table tennis inside, or badminton there inside. So there are many sports facilities like that. Okay, so now let's move towards the next place. This campus is really so huge that you don't have to go somewhere out for a walk, for jogging or something. Like anything you want, you will get everything inside. So a lot more facilities are still there to be shown to you all. So all of you stay there and keep watching. A lot more views are coming. Hello Didi. आप लोग का छुट्टी नहीं है? अच्छा ठीक है तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं ऊपर towards the tennis and the horse stable. About to reach. Okay, it is open, so let's go inside. So friends, so right now we are here inside the tennis court. So these are the two courts.
Take it easy, take
Okay, we'll go towards the next now. So this is the horse training ground, and every day in the evening the horses are being trained here. तो वो कभी मुझे मौका मिलेगा तो मैं एक ब्लॉग बनाऊंगा उस इवनिंग का जब हॉर्स ट्रेनिंग होता है यहाँ पे, सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू सी. ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग चलते हैं टुवर्ड्स द हॉर्स स्टेबल. लेट्स गो. ओके, तो अभी हम लोग पहुँच चुके हैं हॉर्स स्टेबल. सो राइट एट द स्टार्टिंग यू विल गेट टू सी घोड़े का रथ. अभी हम लोग अंदर जाएंगे और आपको दिखाएंगे यहाँ के घोड़े. So starting from the first, so here is the first one. Hello. Okay, so now going to the second. Here he comes. No, one more. Yes, I think he is quite excited. Yes, he is pretty good. Yes. So one more is there in the next one. There is the next one. Everyone is busy at eating. सर थोड़ा आप अभी बताइए यहाँ का ये हॉर्स के बारे में और जितना भी हॉर्सेस है यहाँ पे उनके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, और आप ट्रेनिंग कैसे दिलाते हैं आप स्टूडेंट्स को?
अच्छा,
किसी को भी मतलब. हाँ.
ये एक्चुअली इसका नाम है कोहिनूर.
कोहिनूर.
ये
ओके.
इधर ही पैदा हुआ है
ओके.
और ये 3.5 साल का है.
3.5 साल.
हाँ,
वाह.
3.5 साल का है. और सबसे हाइट इसका बड़ा है 63 इसका हाइट है.
ओके.
ये अभी 1 मीटर 30 जंप करता है.
ओके.
और अपने 7 स्टैंडर्ड से ऊपर के बच्चे लोग इसके ऊपर बैठ के जंप करते हैं.
ओह वाह. तो सर लाइक कभी दिन शाम को हम लोग हॉर्स राइडिंग देख सकते हैं ना इन लोगों का,
हाँ,
लोगों का
देख सकते हैं,
शाम
आराम
को?
से देख सकते हैं.
Okay. All right, friends. So someday in the evening, like when these horses are taken out for the training, I'll show you that proper training, and you will come to know more about these horses. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yeah. So we are at the swimming pool. Side lock hai. Yes, the pool is locked. No problem. I will show you from here. Let's go. So here is the pool. I hope you can see it. So this is the swimming pool, and this pool at the left, it is for the kids, and then that is for the juniors and the seniors. Okay, so now let's go towards the next. Okay friends, so while going towards the football ground, can you see that building? Yes, so that building, it is the hostel for the boys, and this building, this is the hostel for the girls. And just behind the boys hostel, can you see that building? So that is the Cambridge building. We'll take you to that also. So this is the next basketball court here, which is just behind the girls hostel, and right next to it you will get to see the football ground. So here it is. So those two, can you see that mountain? So in the last vlog we were just climbing those mountains only. So after crossing this, we were at the top, and from there we were showing you this particular place, this particular school. So okay friends, this is about the mess. The ground floor is for the day boarding students, and the first floor is all about the boarding students. Okay, we'll go toward the next, that is the Cambridge building. So friends, this is all about SGIS inside the campus. So from the video right from where I started, just behind me there was the building. So this is the building, and it is the Cambridge school. So that is all about the campus. Okay friends, so that was all about the school inside. So there are still many left inside this campus, like which I have to show you, but not right in this vlog. I'll make another vlog where you will get to see the other parts inside the campus, like the university sites. So and also the residences where the people are staying, where the faculties of the school are staying, or where the students are staying. So in order to know more about the campus, inside of the campus, stay tuned to my channel. One more blog will be coming in which you will get to see the next. Okay, so meet you all guys in the next coming video. Till then, bye bye and take care.
I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before.